Okay, for the second part of the assignment, I want you to take a screenshot, and let me show you the easy way to take a screenshot. So let's say while you're taking notes, you said, I like this sequence from Raging Bull, and I want to do a screenshot from this and explain why I like it. So you remembered that it was at about 113.5. You had paused and written that down. So you go back and you say, how do I take a screenshot of this? And I know it's hard to get this red part away, but that's fine. So you do the Windows icon, Shift S. So Windows Shift S, and it'll go like this. And then all you need to do is take a picture of it like that, okay? And then it'll pop up this little window down in the lower right. You'll see it right there. And what it's done is it's Snip and Sketch. It has taken a picture of this, and it's already copied it to your clipboard. So all you need to do if you want to paste it somewhere is click Control V or paste, and it's right there, and you have that. So now you can use that for whatever you want to do, and then you can put the description at the end. All right, cool, easy enough.